Good morning again. Here I am on the other side of the road in Batang-Batang. Diyos ko. Batang-Batang. I've been there for about already walked for 38 minutes. Ibang area na naman ito in Narapalawan. Dito walang gaanong nakatira. Yan, rice field pa rin. So this is the east side of southeast east side of Palawan, going to south that mountain. Another view, another sightseeing, another area. Look at the road. This is a rocky road. Another morning. Nice morning, nice weather. Napakaganda ng umaga natin ngayon. Walang araw, walang ulan. I mean. So this is it. Batang-Batang area. Batang-Batang East. Dito hindi masyadong tao. Ako lang mag-isang naglalakad. So, at bihira ang bahay. Diba? Napakaganda ng ating nature. Yun nga lang, unti-unti nang nasisira dahil sa makasariling pagnanasa tulad ng mining. Unting nasisira. Ito lang yung isang bahay na nakita ko. So I saw this butterfly tree. I called it butterfly. I'm going to pick some of the seeds so that I can make it go to my place.